Hello guys, today we will do write a recursive function to print numbers from 1 to n. In previous lecture we did from n to 1. Input is 5, the output should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We create a method fun, parameter int n. N is a variable. If n is equal to 0, then return. Then this method calls the another method, that is fun n minus 1. Then it executes a statement system.out.println n. So we need to calculate the fun 5. Since 5 is not equal to 0, so it will go to this statement. It will become fun 4. So the fun 4 will be called, but we need to execute this statement. To execute this statement, the fun 5 will be stored into the stack. Okay, now we need to find the value of the fun 4. Now 4 is equal to 0? No. So it will go to this statement. Fun 4 minus 1, that is fun 3. So the method fun3 will be called, but we need to execute this statement. To execute this statement, the fun4 will be stored into the stack. So it will be stored into the stack. Now we will find the value of the fun3. 3 is equal to 0? No. So it goes to this statement. Fun3 minus 1, that is fun2. Now the fun2 method will be called, but we need to execute this statement. So to execute this statement, the fun3 will be stored into the stack. Okay, now we need to find the value of the fun2. Now 2 is equal to 0? No. So it will go to this statement. Fun of 2 minus 1, that is fun 1. It will become fun 1. Now the fun1 method will be called, but we need to execute this statement. So the fun2 will be stored into the stack. Now we need to find the value of the fun1. Now the 1 is equal to 0? No. So it goes to this statement. Fun of 1 minus 1, that is fun of 0. Now the fun0 will be called, but we need to execute this statement. So to execute this statement, the fun1 method will be stored into the stack. Now the fun0 method will be called. Now the n is 0. So n equal to 0, yes, it satisfies the condition. So it will return the method. Now what we have in the stack is fun1, fun2, fun3, fun4, fun5. As I already told you, the stack follows the LIFO method, that is last in, first out. Whatever number comes in last will get out first from the stack. Now the fun1 method will come out. So what's the value of the fun1? The value of the fun1 is, that is 1. Now the fun2 method will be called. So what is the value of the fun2? Fun2 value is 2. Now the fun3 method will be called. What is the value of the fun3? So the value of the fun3 is 3. Now the value, now the fun4 will get out of the stack. So what's the value of the fun4? The value of the fun4 is 4. So now what is left into stack? Only fun5 is left in the stack. So fun5 will also get out of the stack. Now what is the value of the fun5? That is 5 only. So the output of this program will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thus we write a recursive function to print the numbers from 1 to 5 using the stack. Thank you.